everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Peel, and today we want to see what materials we need for our crochet projects. The first thing is crochet hooks. They are made in different materials, used for different purposes, and in different sizes. This 10mm hook is used for crocheting with t-shirt yarn, or these thinner hooks are used for crocheting doilies and things like that. Next one is yarn needle. They are also made in different shapes and sizes. Next one is tape measure, which is obviously used for when you wanna measure something. The next thing is markers or safety pins, which is used when you wanna mark a stitch. If you wanna crochet dolls or cushions, you will need fiber frills. And finally, yarns, which are also made in different materials for different usage, and you can choose your yarn based on what you want to crochet. And here you can see the difference between balls of yarns. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials.